When real estate decisions are important, and when are they not? Call Cindy Zimmerman. Robotics competitions. It's like a sport that's sort of a mashup of NASCAR pit crew, chess,
checkmate,
fencing, and baseball. And a healthy dose of any kind of be the manager kind of game you've ever played, like FIFA. Teams have to balance several levels of competition all at once. Team members manage their internal politics, pick which teams they want to ally with, actually building the robot, and in the arena tactics. This year's goal, the goals change every year, is to build a robot to score points by placing items or throwing them into an area. There's just a lot of moving parts. And Niceville's high school team, the Radioactive Roaches, are heading to the highest level of the sport. The World's competition in Houston later this month, where they'll compete with 450 teams from around the globe. The STEM skills they learn are great, but they also get some advantages that you might not think about right off the bat. So it was a little bit of a passing moment at the last school board meeting that got me thinking about this, but it was a really cool moment.
I can't remember who it was, but one of the school board members or administrators congratulated the Niceville Robotics team on making it to the World's competition. And that got me thinking, what in the world is a World's competition for robotics?
The biggest one of them all, the FIRST Robotics Competition, or FRC, hosts competitions called regionals throughout the year to qualify for the World's competition. This year's is in Houston.
Yeah, I did. I already. You want to hear?
Niceville High School's team earned their spot in Houston by winning along with two other teams they worked with to defeat every other team in the regional competition. That's called an alliance.
Worked on these plates and this drive base.
This means their golden tickets punched, but team members like Diego are still here at the lab working because they also want to be really ready for the Worlds in Houston. The best and the rest are separated by a sliver of preparation. Diego believes this experience has inspired him to teach other kids.
So I personally want to be a teacher and teach kids and hopefully get more kids to have this type of experience to help them figure out what they want to do.
As a senior, this is Diego's shot to win it all with the team, and to win, it truly has to be a team effort.
Because not everyone's going to be good at programming, not everyone's going to be good at mechanical work, but you can figure out what your niche is and work on building up those skills. And if you don't figure out after your first year, you can figure it out later.
It's also the team's chance to put the soft skills the competition teaches to use, says team mentor Ben Schumann.
building robots, right? But what we're really doing is we're changing the world.
Even if the kids don't end up in STEM fields, this program is a benefit for them and for us.
So we're trying to draw kids into the STEM fields, but what we're really trying to do is we're really trying to build 21st century citizens, because not only are we bringing those STEM skills and showing them the possibilities of that, but we're really introducing them to those soft skills that we talk about. How do you work with a team? How do you approach a common goal? How do you, when you see a problem, how do you collectively come together and find the best solution?
Even though they have their ticket punched for Houston, they're in Huntsville, Alabama this weekend trying to win another regional. We'll keep you up to date on how they do. I'm Christopher Saul, and this is Mid-Bay News.